Hey there, Playmobil pals. Today we got a mail call from Malta. Alright guys, so thanks for checking out today's video. I hope you guys are doing well and are ready for a pretty short unbagging here. So we got a package from the island of Malta, which, as you may or may not know, is a area where Playmobil products are manufactured. So there's no doubt an endless supply of Playmobil there. It's just a matter of patience waiting for the packages to come, and of course how much money you're willing to spend on the toys themselves. So without further ado, this is going to be pretty short, but this is a clicky, just one clicky, and he feels honestly like he's already been assembled. I have to be very careful with how I hold the envelope on screen because I don't want to reveal anybody's address. And this is from the newest... Oh, this is not what I thought it was. This is not what I thought it was. Okay, so we have some supplies here. Some supplies. Okay. It's not what I thought it was. Alright. Well, this is just as good. I've been waiting for these pieces. I just didn't expect them to come here so soon. But we got a few shirts and a few hats. As you can see, these torsos here are striped shirts, and they're all the same. And I bought some equal number hats here. I think maybe there's 5 of each. Or is it? Yeah, there's 5. Or is it 4 hats? No, it is 5 hats. With these parts, I have enough to create a customized clicky, which I'm going to show you today. You are welcome to follow along with me. As you can see, I have this head from a clown. This is actually a duplicate from another one that I had previously. I got this one as an extra, and I liked this head. I like that little piece of hair hanging down on the side there. Okay, so I've got a black pair of pants here with a red belt to match the hat and the stripes. Pretty nice to have had this. I don't remember what figure I had to dismantle to get this piece, but it's just nice to have an extra piece so I can create stuff like this. And then we got the little set of bones there, and then we have our striped shirt, which we're going to add some red sleeves with white hands. I'm doing this on purpose here, and it's gonna slide. Oh, yep, slides right in, no problem. Appreciate that. And we're gonna take our head and just insert it into the hole. Right. Okay. All right. Now with the head put on, we're going to top it off with some hair, and I chose this hair because I just thought it would fit better than the standard clicky hair that we all know and love. And we're gonna move on to the little scarf here, which I did paint, give it a little fresh coat of paint there to give it a more vibrant red hue as opposed to the faded red that it was. There we go. Those are kind of hard to put on too, and I have been known to break the scarves when sliding them on the figure. And then we've got our hat, and for today's purposes we're going to keep the hat red since I don't have any black spray paint. And yeah, this here is a mime. I have created a mime for us, and I thought the black hat would look a little better, but I kind of like the way it looks as is. Alright, I still got to get myself some cuffs, some spare white cuffs to put on his sleeves there. I think it'll complete the figure. And here we have our mime posed in front of a small crowd of people. bunch of spectators here, ready to watch him perform and entertain for pennies to the dollar here. And I highly encourage you guys to make your own. Of course, finding a head like this one, you know, a white face with a sort of clown face, is not the easiest to find. I've seen another one like this one with an Asian, like, geisha face, one of the geisha heads, which works wonderfully, and I kind of wish I had that head. So that's that for this. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. And guys, that is it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot. We will see you again very soon. Everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.